Hi, in this video, we will delve into the settings related to the waitlist pop-up. Let's dive right in. To start, hover over the More Convert in the WordPress menu and select the waitlist option. By scrolling down to the bottom of the page, we reach the pop-up settings. From this section, we can customize the pop-up text settings, button settings, and finally, the pop-up appearance. For a glimpse of the default pop-up state, I'll enter the store page. In this default state, note that the email field is present only for guests users. Returning to the settings, let's initiate the changes. In this section, I'll replace notification with waitlist. For the email label, I'll write email address. For email placeholder, I write enter your email address. And for the submit button text, I'll use OK. Additionally, for the remaining sections, I'll remove product for each of them. And for the final section, I'll write email me if. I'll save the settings, go back to the store page and refresh it. As you can see, the text, button, and label in this section have undergone changes. To check the email field changes, I need to switch to the guest mode. Now, as observed, the email field label and placeholder have been altered. Returning to the settings, I can adjust the size of the pop-up button. I'll set the height to 40 pixels, the border radius to 5 pixels, and finally, use a border width of 0 pixels. Moving on to the button color settings. For the text color, I'll use this color code. And for the hover color, this one. This color for the background color. Lastly, for the background hover color, I have this color code. I'll save the settings, enter the store page, and refresh it. As you can see, the colors and sizes related to the button have changed. By clicking on the Change Appearance button, we enter the global pop-up settings for More Convert plugin. From here, we can change the pop-up position. With options like middle, down left, down right, and top left. For example, I'll use down left. I'll save the settings, go to the store page, and refresh it. Now, the pop-up is displayed in the down left position. Returning to the settings, I'll change the position to top right. I'll save the settings. Now, as you can see, the pop-up is displayed in the top right position. Other positions work the same way. I'll set it back to the default, which is middle. From this section, we can make changes to the pop-up color. I'll consider black for the title and content text color, a darker color for the background, and this color for the border. I'll use the same color for the icon color, and for the icon background, I'll use a gray color. I'll save the settings, go to the store page, and refresh it. As you can see, the pop-up changes have been applied correctly. However, it's better to increase the background color's opacity. I'll also set the icon background color with the same button color. I'll save the settings. Now, it looks better.